Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on navigating the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're tackling how to send Matic from Exmo to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens smoothly between exchanges, you're in the right place. Matic, also known as Matic, is the native token of the Polygon network, and transferring it is a common step for managing your portfolio or trading. Don't worry. I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Gemini, and that you have some Matic in your Exmo wallet. Always double-check your balances before starting any transfer to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your Matic holdings. It's usually listed under Matic or Polygon. Step 2. On Gemini, go to your account and select the deposit option. Choose Matic as the cryptocurrency, and make sure to select the correct network, like Ethereum or Polygon, to match what Exmo uses. Copy the deposit address provided by Gemini. This is crucial, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Step 3. Back on Exmo, go to the withdrawal or send section for Matic. Paste the Gemini deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Those can vary based on congestion. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and network to ensure accuracy. Once you're good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Exmo. Step 5. Now, sit tight and monitor the transfer on both platforms. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it shows up in your Gemini wallet, you're all set. And there you have it. Sending Matic from Exmo to Gemini is that simple. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and only transferring on secure networks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.